Miss Quartermain, can you explain the circumstances surrounding your arrest the night of January 17th?
Why? It's irrelevant.
Ms. Quartermain, answer the question.
I can refresh your memory. Were you arrested for kidnapping Wiley and Amelia?
I was actually babysitting them at Michael's request. The children were restless, so I had my bodyguard, Yuri, take them for a drive. The whole incident was blown completely out of proportion.
Miss Quartermain, are you refusing to answer the question?
This is not about me. This is about Willow's fitness as a parent. She professes to be the perfect mother, and yet she's so willing to let Drew use her and her children as a weapon against my family.
So, were you charged with kidnapping? Yes or no?
Ms. Quartermain, answer the question.
Yes? Dan, I did my job. You make sure you do yours.
Ms. Miller, call your next witness.
Yes, Your Honor. Absolutely. At this time, I would like to call Michael Carruthers, Your Honor, I would actually request a brief recess to confer with my next witness.
Objection, Your Honor. Miss Miller can prepare her witnesses on her own time, not the court's.
I'm inclined to agree. Ms. Miller, call your next witness or rest your case.
As Michael's medical proxy to bar his family from the ICU. Michael had just filed for divorce, so the two were estranged. Michael needed to be surrounded by family, but unfortunately that didn't matter because Willow used Michael's life-threatening medical condition to get what she wanted, ignoring the impact that it would have on the family and putting her own children's father's health in jeopardy.
Where was Drew during all of this?
Right next to Willow, like always.
Thank you, Ms. Jax. Your witness.
Miss Jax, when Willow forbade the family from seeing Michael, this was after your mother ruthlessly stole the children from their home, correct?
No.
No? Your mother didn't have your niece and nephew taken from their mother?
No, she did, but the children were staying with their grandmother, Nina Reeves, so they actually were not at their home when they were removed.
By removed, you mean stolen?
My mother had a court order, which means a judge actually agreed that the children should no longer be under Willow's care. So the removal of the children was perfectly legal.
Now, you've testified that Willow took drastic action after your family used the legal system to separate her from her children.
I have, and she did.
Was that understandable? I mean, wouldn't any mother do anything to fight for her children?
Objection, Your Honor. Ms. Jax is certainly not an expert on motherhood.
Sustained.
Wasn't Willow's only desire to be reunited with her children? I mean, wasn't that all Willow wanted?
Come on, Jocelyn. Don't take